When modeling in Blender, the best workflow in my opinion is to keep everything editable as much as possible with modifiers until you want to finish the object and apply those modifiers. That's why I created Speedflow. With Speedflow you can create your object, add a bunch of modifiers and edit them on the fly. So I will select everything, I will hide the modifiers, and as you can see, on some objects you will just have a bunch of modifiers, bevel, mirror, subsurf, okay, same for this, same for this, same for that. And if you show the modifiers, you will have the final result of your object, like that. On some objects, like this one, so let's frame selected, let's go in local view, I will just have some edges. On those subject edges, I will add sometime some vertices. And I will be able to add some bevels on those vertices, okay? So let's show the results. Let's show the wireframe. As you can see, from this, I have this, and this one is fully editable. I can do whatever I want, okay? So I can edit this screw modifier to decrease or increase the number of steps. I can go on the bevel modifier to edit the last bevel. I can also edit this one here, so I can edit it like that, can edit the number of segments. I can also edit the profile if I want to make something round like that, okay? As you can see, I can do this, okay? So let's enter the profile like it was. I will have some bevel on vertices like this one, okay? As you can see here, I can edit this one is curved, as you can see. I can edit same the profiles, etc., and the segments. So as you can see, I can also go on the mirror modifier and hide it. So like I said, I have full control over this object, and this is nice. So let's exit. I have this one too, like that. This one too, I will show my results. I will show the wireframe. As you can see, I have different bevel. I have curved bevel here, I have a last bevel here. I have everything. This object is finished in my opinion. I can just, if I want, apply everything. After that, I will just have to add the subsurf. I can unwrap it, etc., etc. So let's exit. Let's show everything. And once you are okay, you can, like I said, apply what you want and you will have your final object. And this is my final object. I just kept this subdivision surface like I said. I unwrapped it and I added some texture, etc. Okay? I still have this. If I want to redo this, this is easy.